Safely charge your device. Protect your personal information and data when using public charging stations, charging hubs. The NTW secure charging USB adapter blocks two-way data transfers and stops the threat of juicejacking, malicious viruses, trojans, and malware. Comfortably use your device at airports, train stations, rental cars, tourist attractions, malls, hotels, hospitals, coffee shops, cafes, restaurants, schools, libraries, etc. Fast charging USB compatible. This secure charging USB adapter works with any mobile device that uses a standard USB plug to charge, including Android smartphones, Apple products, iPhone, iPad, and all tablets. Compatible with fast charging, fast charger, quick charge USB plugs and batteries. Charge at up to 2.4 amps. Functions. Features. The perfect accessory for on the go. Prevents unwanted transfer of data when using rental car and public transit charging ports while still allowing your phone to charge. Perfect for stopping computers from automatically reading your phone data once connected, which prevents distracting pop-ups while you work or game. Easy to carry use, lightweight and simple. The NTW secure charging USB adapter's slim design allows for easy attachment between your USB charger cable and charging block, wall adapter, USB port. Used by companies and agencies that combat identity thieves, juicejackers, hackers, spies. Safe to use on corporate networks. A physical layer of security. The NTW brand is known to make innovative tech safety products on the physical layer level, i.e., NetLock series. This secure charging USB adapter is our simple and smart data defender solution for blocking unwanted breaches and for keeping your data safe. Designed in an unforgettable bright red color to remind you to take it with you wherever you go. Top reviews from the United States. I always keep one of these on me. If you travel, you need this. Gives me peace of mind when I am just using my charging cable plugged into any USB port.